Now you could ask me a question. Which types of functions you should use? Are the regular functions declared using function keyword, or arrow functions assigned to the variable? Honestly, you could go ahead with any type of functions you want. I prefer to use such syntax and use arrow functions and assign them to the variables whenever possible. Also, it's very convenient to use arrow functions as callback functions. And now let's talk about callback functions. Let's here type following: set timeout. It is a function that is available here globally, and this function accepts handler as first argument, and as second argument you could specify timeout. Let's as first argument type here arrow function syntax. It will not have any parameters, like that, and let's print to the console ABC. And afterwards let's add second argument in this function call, and let's type 3000. This number is in milliseconds. And setTimeout function works in such a way that it will call this function that is passed as first argument after a specific amount of time that is passed here as second argument in this function call. So, we expect in this example to see ABC in the console after 3 seconds. Let's save the code and count to 3. Saved. And in 3 seconds I see ABC here in the console. It means that this setTimeout function inside of it calls this function after a specific amount of time. And you don't need to use here named function. It's enough to use just arrow function without name, like we see here in this example.